Excellent.
All right, Maxx is here on the scene at Mount Olympus. That's in Wisconsin Dells. We're going to take a ride on their headlining roller coaster, Hades 360. This is a Gravity Groups roller coaster. It is fantastic. It's a hybrid coaster, so it uses steel supports, wooden track. We're going to drop right out of the station into one of the best pre-lift sections of any coaster. Here we go, guys. Hades 360. Tell you, they start this coaster off with a bang right out of the station, probably about a 50-foot or so lift hill. Drop before you get to the lift hill. Now, we're going to come up to one of the best sections of the entire ride. Once we drop, we're going into a tunnel. That tunnel is fantastic. It's pitch black, so we probably won't see anything until I come out on the other side and then dip back in. But here we go, guys, down the first drop of Hades 360 and into the famous tunnel. All right, great ride. We really hit those final brake run really hard, but a fantastic ride. And that tunnel, guys, is worth the drive out to Wisconsin Dells. Get to Mount Olympus and get on Hades 360. All right, that's going to do it for our ride here. Make sure to take your thrills to the max, because this is Thrill Max.